All right, everybody, we're back for day 2. So early this morning, they came and got the dumpster, emptied that, and my father pulled this last remaining piece over. You guys saw in the last video that we had, that was all that was left, was that was sand in there. And we were a little worried that we didn't want it to fall over with not much structure left and land on the neighbor's deck. So my father reached up there with his machine, and we pulled that over so that it's sitting here, better access, and so it didn't fall over incorrectly while we were trying to finish the rest of it. But yeah, so we have got just this little bit left here of the building, and we've got all of the flooring of the building to rip apart, stuff in the dumpster, and then the destruction of the building is done. From there, we've got to dig a foundation here. So that's going to be next. But we'll get over that. We'll talk about that at the next stage. Let's get through one stage first. So yeah, let's get to destroying and get that in the dumpster. And so that was just a matter of minutes, and we got that whole, or most of that section, in the dumpster. So now it looks like we're going to have to do some stuff with the excavator and crunch some of this stuff up, get it in a pile over here so that he can reach it, get a hold of it, and get it in the dumpster. And then we got to do that floor as well. So yeah, that didn't take very long. Time to do some more destruction. All right, there we are. Camp's gone. So you guys can see it. We got everything but a little bit of debris left. And we even started laying out where we're going to have the foundation be. You can see we got the stakes here. So yeah, we're getting there, but we are completely full. Again, dumpster is totally full. So that was a good project, good destruction project, but we made it, we did it, and yeah, we're good to go. So now comes the next part, which is a lot of digging. We got to do a lot of digging, got to get rid of some of these blocks. We're going to set the blocks on the pallets over there and get rid of the blocks because they're good blocks, and we might be able to use them for something. So we're going to save some of them. But yeah, so another project done. Well, no, another part of a project done. So this part is the destruction. Now we got to start doing the building. So appreciate you guys stopping in for this, and make sure you subscribe to see what we're going to do next in digging this foundation hole and getting ready for the camp build. So hit the like button, subscribe, tell everybody, come on back. I appreciate you guys stopping in. See you next time.